God and the Divine Sphere. In this article, we describe the highest spheres of being and the sources of all creation. Level 144 is the world of God. It is a world beyond forms that is home to the Absolute, who is the source of all being, and to God and Goddess, who are the male and female higher principles. It also includes spaces of interaction with all higher creatures of the divine sphere, through whom God affects his creative will. There is much dispute about whether God has a personality, which is actually pointless. One does not exclude the other. There exists the Absolute, the source of all energy that forms being. At the same time, the Absolute is the highest point of concentration of being to which the latter is inextricably linked. The Absolute encompasses the potential of everything that can exist, just like an infinite number of solid pieces of ice can be created out of formless water. And there exists God, the highest creative consciousness which constantly creates and changes being, using the energy that originates from the Absolute. Or, following the above analogy, he forms ice out of water. In this process, while God acts as an active creative consciousness, Goddess transmits the Absolute's energies, providing energy support for God's creativity and activating the formation mechanism on underneath levels. In addition, the lower sphere of level 144 contains two crystals that give origin to the central energy channels pervading the entire creation. One of them, the solar crystal of the yellow and white spectrum, is associated with the law of radiation, the transfer of the will of God, his energy and information, from the top down. The other, the moon crystal of the white and indigo spectrum, is aligned with the law of attraction, according to which everything in being aspires upwards to its higher origin. It also relates to the line of activity of Goddess, that of ideal love. Since our planet Earth is the center of the universe of the physical and etheric planes, the crystals are also connected with our sun and moon. Besides, through these crystals, there flows the central energy channel of all creation, alternating white and black and white, connected to the Absolute's crystal. Level 143 is where forms appear. First of all, this is the level of the primordial queen, the highest female consciousness which defines the mechanism of formation of all that has been invented in the world of God. Her consciousnness contains the image of everything that has form. She is one with Goddess from level 144. As for God, on level 143 he acts through two consciousnesses. The first is the Holy Spirit, the creative will of God, whose concern is to realize what has been created on level 144 in the world of forms. His basic spectrum is blue on golden. The second is Christ, the love of God, who enhances and supports all that exists with the help of higher energy. His basic spectrum is crimson on light pink. Furthermore, there are two female consciousnesses accompanying the Holy Spirit and Christ. The companion of the Holy Spirit is Irmingard. Her basic spectrum is light blue on black. Her line of activity is purity. She protects everything created by God and the Holy Spirit from distortions and maintains the whole divine sphere with the help of the energy of purity. The companion of Christ is Mary. Her basic spectrum is the same as Christ's, and she is also an embodiment of God's love. It should be noted that she is not Christ's earthly mother. Mary from level 143 has never incarnated on earth. Thus, apart from the male Trinity, God the Father, Christ, and the Holy Spirit, there is the female trinity, the primordial queen, Mary, and Irmingard, which the patriarchal Christianity fails to mention. Level 143 is also a location of omniscient creatures. They pertain to the essential structures of being and act by implementing God's creative emanations. Eagle concentrates all spectral energies. Ram with a human face accumulates the Holy Spirit's energy and carries the spiritual component of humans from all levels of creation. Lion integrates the energies of the divine sphere and creation as well as those of Parsifal and the Holy Spirit. Ox is linked with the emanations of the Holy Spirit's creative consciousness and with the line of creativity. The images of the primordial queen and the omniscient creatures are reflected in the 21st arcanum of the tarot, the world. Two staffs in her hands represent the control over the main energy flows, solar and lunar. Next levels are occupied by beings who implement the will of God through 306 energy spectra. For more information, see Energy Spectra of the Universe. 142, the Sphere of Archangels, male and female consciousnesses who realize God's activity concerning changes in the universe and transfer energy and information downward. 141, the Sphere of Elders, male consciousnesses who are spectral reflections of God the Father and the male aspect of the Absolute. They fulfill the creative will of God through each of the 306 spectra. 140, the Sphere of Priestesses of the Primordial Queen, female consciousnesses who are spectral reflections of the Primordial Queen and the female aspect of the Absolute. They are responsible for the formation of creative intents of God through each of the spectra. They have an emanational connection with the 141st level. On levels below, 139 to 133, there are higher beings of the divine sphere who manage the basic structures of the universe but operate only within their levels rather than across the whole being. Some of them have neither projections on lower levels nor incarnations in the matter. Here is their brief description. 139, Fractals of the Spectra. 138, Basic Constructions of the Image of Being. 137, the same as 138 but from the inside. This level is related to structures that link beings with constructions. It is the level of beings who form and create system structures of the universe. Male and female consciousnesses per each of the 306 spectra. 136, the structures of spheres as of global constructions. 135, the horizontal plane of the divine sphere where myriad angels vibrate in the will of God. 134, beings who link the divine sphere with creation. Their projections on lower planes control the connection between game and service planes. Male and female consciousnesses per each of the 306 spectra. 133, beings and structures that form the shell of Parsifal, the source of creation from level 132, and sustain his connections with the Holy Spirit, God, and higher beings of the divine sphere. 140 to 142. Translated by Kira Gradova.